Now that you have a broad understanding of generative AI, let's discuss Duet AI in Google Workspace. Duet AI lets you use generative AI technology easily. Specifically in Google Workspace, you can use Duet AI as a collaborator to write and refine text, create original images, organize data and optimize project workflows, and connect with colleagues and clients. Using Duet AI features can help you focus on high-value activities instead of repetitive tasks, which empowers you to improve your business outcomes. These tools can be useful for people in various roles in business units, like marketing, sales, customer service, and human resources, or HR. Marketing teams can use Duet AI to draft creative and engaging content for marketing materials based on the audience, organize and act on data faster to spot customer trends, and generate compelling visuals to improve marketing presentations. Sales representatives can use Duet AI to draft informative and personalized emails and sales documents, improve customer video calls and engage with real-time translations, organize and act on historical sales data faster, and generate compelling visuals for customer-facing pitch decks. Customer service teams can use Duet AI to quickly generate high-quality personalized responses to customers, translate languages in real time during video conferences, and summarize customer call transcripts to add to the team's knowledge base. HR professionals can use Duet AI to write job descriptions for open positions based on simple prompts, personalize candidate outreach, summarize employee benefits or handbook information, and quickly draft questions to prepare for interviews. Duet AI is a powerful tool that can enhance your productivity in many different ways when used properly. Remember, generative AI tools, including Duet AI, might suggest inaccurate or inappropriate information. Don't rely on Duet AI features as medical, legal, financial, or other professional advice. It's also important to remember that the Duet AI feature suggestions don't represent Google's views and should not be attributed to Google. Congratulations on completing the course. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to Duet AI in Google Workspace. Subsequent courses delve further into the features mentioned in this lesson, and you'll have the opportunity to practice what you learned.